This is a 10-inch driving gear, and if you mesh it tightly with the driven gear 100 times larger, then every 10 turns of the small gear make the big gear turn just once. Now take this 10-to-1 reduction unit as a base module, precisely copy it 100 times, and connect the output shaft of each stage to the input shaft of the next. Congratulations, you've just invented the root gear system. Now here's the part that bends your brain. Do you know how long it takes for the very last gear to turn just once? When the first gear spins 10,000 turns, the second gear only turns 1,000, the third turns 100, and by the fifth stage, it has barely completed a single rotation. If you want the final gear to rotate one full turn, the very first gear must spin 10 to the power of 100 times, a number so large that even if you used all the matter in the universe, you still couldn't finish writing it down. Let's put time on it. Assume the first gear needs only 3.5 seconds per turn. The third stage needs 350 seconds, about 6 minutes. The fifth stage needs 10 hours. The 12th stage needs about 110,000 years, far longer than the entire history of human civilization. The 14th stage needs 110 million years. Dinosaurs are still walking the earth at this point. The 16th stage needs 11.1 billion years, almost the same as the age of the universe itself. So someone might ask, what if we drive the first gear at the speed of light? Light travels 300,000 kilometers per second, equivalent to spinning the first gear about 281 turns per minute. Even at this insane speed, the 12th gear still needs about 40 minutes for one turn. The 21st gear needs around 7,000 years, and the 29th gear needs more than 7 trillion years. For comparison, the entire universe has only existed for 13.8 billion years, which leads to a terrifying conclusion. Even if you used all the energy in the universe
and started pushing from the very beginning of time,
you might only manage to make the 27th gear rotate a few lonely turns. Then the clever you will ask, why not just turn the final gear directly? Because force explodes exponentially as well. If turning the first gear takes only a tiny amount of strength, then turning the 100th gear would require that same force multiplied by 10 to the power of 100.